Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Libby, and today I'm showing you how to get those gel nails off of your hands if you're unable to go to the nail shop right now due to Miss Rona. So I'm gonna make it quick and easy for you guys. All you need is some foil, some cotton balls, and 100% pure acetone in a nail file. It's super simple. I go ahead and I prep everything first, and I split up the cotton balls so they'll be a little bit thinner, and then I put them over to the side, and I go ahead and file my nails. It makes it easier for the acetone to penetrate through the gel polish. You don't have to do anything heavy, just enough to get through. So once you're done filing all of that, and you just kind of rough it up, I don't know if you can see, just a little bit, you're gonna go ahead and pour your 100% acetone onto the cotton balls. At least get it 80% saturated. This will not work with regular nail polish remover, so make sure you're getting 100% pure acetone. You could pick it up at your local store, but if you're one of those people that's on lockdown, you can order it on Amazon. They have it on Prime. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description box. But once you go ahead and do that, you're just gonna put the cotton that has the acetone on your nail. You're going to wrap it up in foil paper and just roll it around and just push the tip over so it doesn't spill out or anything. And set your timer for 10 minutes and do whatever you need to do. You really could just watch all of my videos while you're waiting, you know. But anyways, when you're done with that, 10 minutes is up, voila, you just pull off the foil and the cotton. And it's pretty much, at this point, should be all the way off. And I just use the back of my little clicker to just make sure I get everything off. Just use something that's not damaging to your nails and scrape it off. And then you're just gonna go wash your hands, you know. That's it. Wash those hands, soap and water, 20 seconds. And then you're gonna come in with your oil of choice. Mine is Parker J's Magic Mane Oil. And that's it, y'all. That is the end. Voila, finished. Thank y'all for watching my video. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B out.